Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be learning about nursing process, what do you mean by it, what are the characteristics and what are the purposes of nursing process and what are the steps that are involved in nursing process. So mainly there are 5 steps that are involved. One is assessment phase, second is diagnosis, third planning, interventions and evaluation phase. We'll be discussing it later. So first we will define what do you mean by a nursing process. Nursing process, it is a deliberate problem-solving approach for meeting the person's healthcare and nursing needs. So, what do you mean by it? So, whenever a client is coming to you, what we have to do, we have to identify the health problem of the client, we have to diagnose, plan, giving interventions or the solutions, and then we have to evaluate for what the client is admitted or for what the client came to the OPD, whether the problem is resolved or not. So, this is nursing process. So whenever a client is coming to you, it is a problem solving approach. For example, client is having fever. So what we have to do, we have to solve the problem कि fever should subside. So it is a problem solving approach for meeting the person healthcare need. So what are the healthcare need when a client is coming for fever? Healthcare need में उसका normal body temperature रहना चाहिए. सेकंड क्या है, उसको जो हाइपरथर्मिया हो रहा है उसको हमें रिमूव करना है. पेशेंट की जो ड्यू टू हाइपरथर्मिया की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, अलग अलग साइन एंड सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं, वो हमारे रिजोल्व हो जाने चाहिए. और what we can say, it is a problem solving systematic approach. Why we are telling, because whenever a client is coming, so without assessment you can't give the treatment. So it is a systematic approach. There are 5 steps. I already told you कि assessment है, nursing diagnosis phase, planning, interventions and evaluation phase. तो सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच में फॉर एग्जांपल हम आते ही पेशेंट को इवेलुएट तो नहीं कर सकते ना. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, आफ्टर देन वी हैव टू डायग्नोज, प्लान, गिविंग इंटरवेंशंस एंड ट्रीटमेंट. तो these steps they will go systematically. So that's why it is a systematic process, goal directed. For example, person came for pain. पेन के लिए आए तो हमारा क्या गोल रहेगा कि हमें पेन को रिलीव कराना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेशेंट केम फॉर फीवर, तो हमारा क्या गोल रहेगा, फीवर को रिड्यूस कराना है. पेशेंट केम फॉर सर्जरी, तो जिस पार्ट की सर्जरी के लिए आया पेशेंट को, तो वो हमारा सर्जिकल इंटरवेंशन हो जाएगी. इट इज ए फ्लेक्सिबल रैशनल अप्रोच. व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज फ्लेक्सिबल? बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेशेंट पेन के लिए आया है, लेकिन पेशेंट को आने के बाद वहां पे इन्फेक्शन हो गया और उसको फीवर आ गया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पेन के साथ साथ हम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी किसकी रखेंगे कि उसको फीवर भी सबसाइड हो जाए. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ए फ्लेक्सिबल रैशनल अप्रोच which ensures consistent continuous quality of nursing cares we have to provide, so that it is basis for professional accountability. So what do you mean by it? Have you got it? It is a systematic, goal oriented problem solving approach for what the patient came for to you up to the nursing. So for what the patient came, that should be resolved. So this is nursing. Purposes include to identify the client health status or actual potential health problems in a client. So whenever client is coming, first we have to assess. So we have to identify the client health status क्या है और उसको क्या problems है, that we have to identify. Second is identification के बाद confirm the diagnosis. Third, what we will do, we will establish the plan to meet the potential health problems, to deliver specific nursing treatment to treat those needs, and to evaluate the nursing care that is given to the client according to the health problem. So these are some purposes of nursing process. Characteristics include, it is an interactive process between the client and the nurse, so that the nurse will identify the client need and made plan accordingly. Second is, it is a purposeful process. So whenever a client is coming to the hospital or coming to PHC, CHC, so it is a purposeful process that we have to interact with the client to identify the need and to solve the problem. Systematic approach, already I told you how it is systematic. Systematic कैसे है? Deliberate and systematic process. Deliberate में क्या है, जो नर्स और क्लाइंट के बीच में जो मतलब बातचीत है, इंटरेक्शन है, that should be purposeful, friendly and identifying the need. Third is client oriented. तो क्लाइंट की नीड्स को हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड केयर. ये नहीं है कि अदर फॉर एग्जांपल किसी पर्सन को पेन था, तो एक पर्सन को काफी हाई लेवल का पेन था, एक पर्सन को मतलब पेन था लेकिन तो इट वाज टॉलरेटिंग. तो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई और assess the level of pain in the client and we have to give treatment. So it should be client oriented, not others client oriented. It is a problem solving approach. Characteristics, it includes they are goal directed to meet the health problem needs of the client. Outcome focused. So whatever care we are giving to the client, outcome should be, it should be evaluated, and the outcome, what care we have given, the outcome should be positive. Within the legal scope of nursing, nursing process in which we are prioritizing the needs of the client and we are diagnosing them and we are giving treatment to solve the health problem of a client. Now we will be discussing components or steps in a nursing process. Mainly there are 5 steps in a steps in nursing process. There are 5 steps in nursing process. First is assessment phase, also known as identification phase, in which we are identifying the health issues, health problems of the client. So after, in which the client, we are interacting with the client and we are identifying the health issues. Second is nursing diagnosis phase. Nursing diagnosis phase के अंदर what we are doing, we are making according to the health problems, we are making the nursing diagnosis. And fourth, what nursing diagnosis we have made, we are planning according to the nursing diagnosis what we have made. So after planning, what we have to act on them. So we are implementing what we have made plans, and after that what we are doing, we are evaluating for what the client is admitted, whether the problem is resolved or not. For example, a client came to you and the client is telling that the client is having fever of 102 degree Fahrenheit. ठीक है? So whenever client is coming, what we have to do, first we have to assess. So what we have assessed, we have checked the body temperature of the client. So the temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. It was the temperature of the client when the client came to you. Then what we have to make diagnosis. Make diagnosis में nursing diagnosis हम क्या बनाएंगे कि पायरेक्सिया और fever related to any underlying disease. For example, person is having some type of infection or due to unknown origin, so we will make nursing diagnosis. After then what we will plan? We will plan for short term goals and long term goals. Short term goals में क्या है कि जो पर्सन को फीवर है सबसे पहले वो सबसाइड हो, इट विल बी शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स. लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स में क्या होगा कि किस वजह से फीवर आ रहा है पर्सन को, वो हमें आइडेंटिफाई द कॉज व्हाई द पर्सन इज हैविंग द फीवर. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इन प्लानिंग, वी विल मेक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स एंड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स विल बी मेकिंग. फिर उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इंटरवेंशन और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. इंटरवेंशन में हम क्या देंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल इंजेक्शन पीसीएम, डॉक्टर ने एडवाइस किया है इंजेक्शन पीसीएम एज एडवाइस. सेकेंड इज, या किसी को सिर्फ पीसीएम है तो हम सिर्फ पीसीएम लिखेंगे. कोल्ड स्पंज करेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथिंग को रिमूव करेंगे, जो टेम्परेचर है वो हम कंट्रोल करेंगे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल दीज इंटरवेंशंस वी हैव गिवन. आफ्टर देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, द final will be evaluation. Evaluation is also known as outcome. Evaluation में after giving implementation, whether the fever record the temperature को दोबारा रिकॉर्ड करना है आफ्टर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. तो मॉनिटर करेंगे हम टेम्परेचर को. फॉर एग्जांपल टेम्परेचर केम टू 98.9 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. सो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हमारी somehow it has been resolved. So this is the nursing process. So whenever a client is coming to you, nursing process, it is one of the important step, or it is a nursing process सबसे ज़्यादा important है whenever client is coming to you, so that we can give client collaborative, systematic and deliberative care. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thus